Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is LED TV combi board. Now I will show you how to change this panel supply from 5 volt to 12 volt or 12 volt to 5 volt. But in this board you can see here one jumper is there to change the panel voltages. Now I will zoom it. Yeah. This is the jumper. If you short these two pins, now it become 12 volt. Now this board is used for 12 volt display. If you replace and short another two pins, now this motherboard is used for 5 volt display. But in this board no such jumper is given. You can see here no jumper is there to change the panel voltages. But you can see here is one 0 ohm resistor is there. Now it is placed in 5 volt section. Now this motherboard is used for 5 volt display. If you want 12 volt, then you have to remove and place it in 12 volt section. Then this motherboard is used for 12 volt panel. So this is all about my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.